Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm your teacher, Riz, and with me is our lovely learner, Zoe.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Riz. I'm so happy to be here again.
Great to have you, Zoe. So before we start, I want to ask our listeners a question. Do you ever feel nervous when speaking English? Maybe your heart beats fast, your voice shakes, or you forget simple words.
Oh, yes, Riz. That happens to me all the time. Sometimes I know the words in my head, but when I speak, nothing comes out.
Haha, yes, that's very common. Don't worry, Zoe. Many learners feel the same. Today, we'll fix that. We'll learn how to sound confident when speaking English.
Oh, that's perfect. I really want to sound more confident.
And you will. So, to everyone listening, stay with us until the end. You'll learn simple tips, phrases, and tricks to speak English clearly and with confidence. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel. That helps us make more lessons for you.
Yes, please do that.
All right, let's start. So, Zoe, tell me, when you speak English, what makes you feel nervous?
I think I'm afraid of making mistakes. I don't want people to laugh at me.
That's honest, and it's true for many people. But let me tell you something important. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. The difference is confident speakers don't stop when they make them. They keep talking.
Really? So confidence is not about being perfect?
Exactly. Confidence is not about speaking perfect English. It's about speaking even when you're not perfect.
That's nice. So I can make mistakes and still sound confident.
Yes, absolutely. Repeat this after me. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Good. Now repeat this. I keep speaking.
I keep speaking.
Excellent. That's the first step to confidence. Don't stop when you make a small error.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Now let's talk about your voice. When people speak quietly, others feel they're not sure. But when you speak a little louder, with clear words, people think, oh, she is confident.
So speaking louder helps?
Yes, not shouting, but speaking clearly. Try saying, hello, nice to meet you, softly first.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Now, say it with energy and a smile.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Perfect. Did you hear the difference?
Oh, yes. I felt more confident just by saying it louder.
That's right. Your body and voice are connected. When you sit or stand straight and smile, your voice sounds stronger.
That's interesting. I never thought of that.
Let's try a small confidence exercise. To all listeners, do this with us. Sit up straight, take a deep breath, smile, and say, I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Nice. Again, louder.
I can speak English.
Very good. You sound more confident already.
I feel it too.
Great. Now, let's talk about one more important thing. Many people think too much before they speak. They try to make perfect sentences in their heads. But that takes time and makes you nervous.
Yes, that's me. I always think for too long.
Instead, try to speak simple and short sentences. Don't worry about big grammar. For example, if you want to say, I would like to have a cup of coffee, you can simply say, I want coffee, please.
Oh, that's easier.
Yes, and you sound natural. Remember, confidence comes from clarity, not complexity.
That's a good line. Confidence comes from clarity.
Yes, repeat it again.
Confidence comes from clarity.
Perfect. Now, let's teach our listeners some phrases to sound confident. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Good. Here are some phrases. Repeat after me. I'm not sure, but I think.
I'm not sure, but I think.
That's a good question.
That's a good question.
Let me think for a second.
Let me think for a second.
Excellent. These phrases help you sound calm and confident even if you don't know the answer.
So instead of staying silent, I can use these phrases?
Exactly. Let's try a small conversation. I'll ask you something, and you can use one of these phrases. Ready?
Ready.
What do you think is the best season in Portugal?
That's a good question. I think it's spring.
Well done. You sounded confident and natural.
Yay!
Here's another phrase. That's interesting. It shows that you are listening and thinking.
That's interesting.
Good. When you speak English, you don't need to rush. Take small pauses. It makes you sound calm and confident.
So silence is okay?
Yes, silence shows control. Nervous people speak too fast. Confident people take their time.
I like that.
Let's practice. Say this slowly. I like English.
I like English.
Great. Now faster.
I like English.
See? Both are fine. But the slow one sounds more confident.
True.
Listeners, try speaking slower. Take your time. People will listen to you more.
That's a nice tip.
Now let's talk about body language.
Oh, I love this part.
When you speak English, your body also speaks. Stand tall, smile, and look at people. Don't look down.
So posture is important too.
Yes, confidence starts in your body. Even when you speak online or on a call, smile. People can hear your smile in your voice.
That's funny, but true.
Try it. Say, hello, how are you, without smiling.
Hello. How are you?
Now, say it with a smile.
Hello. How are you?
See the difference?
Yes, it sounds happier and friendly.
Exactly. Smiling helps your voice sound confident.
That's a small trick, but very powerful.
Yes, small things make a big difference. Now, Zoe, do you know what word many people use too much when they are nervous?
Maybe or
Yes, those are called filler words. They're okay sometimes, but too many can make you sound unsure.
I use a lot.
Haha, we all do. Try to pause instead. For example, say, I like coffee instead of I like coffee.
I like coffee. Oh, yes, it sounds cleaner.
Exactly. A small pause is better than a filler word.
Got it.
Let's do a short listening practice for our listeners. I'll say 2 sentences. Tell me which sounds more confident. Sentence 1. I think it's nice.
Sentence 1. I think it's nice.
Sentence 2. I think it's nice.
The second one.
Correct. Listeners, did you get it too? See how clear and confident it sounds?
Yes, it's simple but strong.
Good. Now let's talk about thinking in English.
Oh, that's hard.
It feels hard at first, but it helps a lot. When you think in English, you don't have to translate. That makes you faster and more confident.
How can I start thinking in English?
Start small. When you wake up, say simple things in English like, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. I'm going to work.
Like a small talk in my head?
Yes, talk to yourself in English. It trains your brain.
That's fun.
Also, watch English shows with subtitles. Listen carefully to how people say things. Try to copy their tone and rhythm.
Like shadowing?
Exactly. Repeat after native speakers. That helps you sound natural and confident.
I'll try that tonight.
Great. Now, here's one more important point. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed.
That's true. Sometimes I feel slow when I hear fluent speakers.
But remember, they also started from zero. You are learning every day. Celebrate your progress.
Thank you, Riz. That means a lot.
You're welcome. And to all our listeners, believe in yourself. Every word you speak brings you closer to fluency.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you. Now, let's do a quick recap before we end.
Okay.
All right.
First, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about speaking even with mistakes. Second, speak louder and clearer. Third, smile and use your body confidently. Fourth, use helpful phrases like, "That's a good question," or "Let me think." Fifth, take small pauses, not ums. Sixth, think in English and practice daily. And seventh, don't compare yourself.
Wow, that's a great summary.
Thank you. And Zoe, you did great today. You sounded confident and natural.
Thank you, Riz. I really learned a lot.
I'm sure our listeners did too. So everyone, remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be spoken.
Yes, that's the best advice.
Keep practicing every day. Speak to friends, watch English shows, and repeat phrases out loud. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
And don't forget to smile when you speak.
Exactly. That's the magic ingredient.
I'll never forget that.
Great. And before we end, I want to remind you, if you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel. It really helps us keep teaching and growing this beautiful community.
Yes, please subscribe and join us every week for more fun lessons.
Thank you, Zoe, and thank you everyone for listening. Remember, confidence starts with one word. Just speak.
Just speak.
Exactly. You can do it. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you in the next episode.